One of the first substantive elements that you will see in ChatGPT, if you go to your settings area and you click on the settings, you're going to notice that there is an element here for personalization. And what you're going to be able to toggle on and off is the ChatGPT memory. The OpenAI help screen says that the memory is designed for ChatGPT to collect information when you were using the chatbot in order to help all of your queries to be more successful in the future. You can turn this feature on and off here in the memory area. You can also manage the memory. So if you click on the Manage button, you can determine what ChatGPT is going to remember and what it will not remember, or if it stores a memory, you can take that memory out of ChatGPT. You can also, at any point in time, clear the memories of ChatGPT if you are collecting them. For example, if there's a memory that you don't like, you can go to that memory and you can then click on the trash icon to forget this part and to delete it from your memory element, or you can choose to leave it as part of your memories. ChatGPT does say that it will tell you when your memory storage is going to be near full, or you can click on the Manage button and you can determine how you want to manage the memories that ChatGPT has. So you can use the memory setting in order to manage how ChatGPT interacts with your prompts and your queries. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.